Konnichiwa mga kamochi, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is another dental appointment. So I'm outside the house. Yeah, so I'm about to walk again to the station. And the Yuki, the snow right now, it's giving coldness, you know. So it's so cold. It's a heavy storm, snowstorm last night. So yeah. And this, it's giving outfit check. So may pa-outfit check tayo. Snowing. Narinig niyo ba yun? Yung ASMR. So kagabi lang to. And this area, I wrote my niece and nephew's names here. So it's a parking lot na nakita ko lang dyan habang pupunta ako sa isang supermarket, and then I wrote my niece and nephew's name, like Claristine, Oscar, and Royce. Wala lang. I just had fun. But now look. Yeah. And nagkaroon ng forecast. Sorry, hinihingal. Kasi pupunta na tayo sa station and 5 minutes na lang darating na yung bus. And wait, update ko kayo kapag nandun na ako sa area na flat. Kasi girl, bababa to. Baka madulas tayo. Bye! Yun na nga guys. It's been snowing here for 3 days straight. So, may forecast kasi dito sa Hokuriku region, sa western parts ng Japan, na talaga magkakaroon ng snowstorm. And this month is also late na nag-snow ng ganito kadami. And for the next 2 weeks again, it will have a storm. Nakababa na ako guys ng bus. Nakalimutan ko dalhin yung payong. Oo, actually. Pero kasi ayoko nga magpayong. So ngayon, tayo ay naglalakad sa clinic. And it's so heavy. Oh my God. So ano tayo? Para tayong baby dito ngayon. So I have to be hurry kasi nalakas yung snow. Ayun guys, takbo tayo para mainitan tayo. And late na tayo sa appointment natin. Oh no! Currently. So, tsura natin. Pero naka-fresh. Diba? At yellow po ang nasa scarf natin. So, yun. But it's giving. Yeah! I'm walking. Ayun. Andun na. Andun tayo. Let's go! So, yung appointment ko is 11:30. And now, what time is it now? It's 11:32. Because the bus is late. That's why late din tayo. Kasi, given naman na late. Kasi, nag-snow. And yung daan, syempre, ng bus is mahirap. Galing ka sa malayong lugar. So, yan. Ito tayo ngayon. And, malamig, mga best. At tayo natin ng gloves. Ito tayo. Ito tayo. Ayun na yung clinic natin. Siyempre, kasi busy at late po tayo. Ayan, tingnan mo naman po ang ating buhok sa today's video. Yes. Apparently, ganito po yung tip natin. Mandatory. So, ayun na nga guys. Diba, last month is red wine, yung color ng bracket natin. So, nagpa-gray ulit tayo. Ayan. So, ayan. Change bracket. Tapos, chain dito. Balik to dito sa ganito. Single. And dito, dahil natanggalan tayo ng bracket. May bago ulit tayo bracket. Kakain na tayo ng matigas para matanggal ulit. Charis! So, that's it guys. So, tapos na ang ating errands for today's video. May pasok tayo ng 3D. So, after snowstorm, may araw po. Opo, umaraw po. Umaraw po. So, for today's video. So, I'm done with my dentist. So, I'm going back home because I have work at 3 o'clock. It's giving. The sun is giving some energy, you know. And it's so cold right now. And I'm going to take across the street. And that's it. You know. And I'm so really sleepy right now because I have lots of sleep last night and I'm about to go back home and sleep for a while. Like, yeah. And it's giving some good energy. Ganda natin for today's video. Oh, Ringo-chan. So guys, usok check. Nakikita nyo ba yun? Pero ang ganda ng sky, oh. It's giving. Tada! Para ako may unan dito. So my bus is 1:30 and it's kind of 1:45 pa lang. So yun. Yeah. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you like this one. And mag-1 year na tayo na naka-braces next month. And I hope ma-upload ko to this January. So today is January 10th. And sana ma-update ko kayo kung ano nangyayari sa ating case. So far, ito na po tayo. Yeah. So yun, that's it guys. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye! Shane!